everyone. Oh, you're so many here. Do you know who are slaves?
Yeah.
Ah, you know. With you, we will play today a game of slaves and masters in that beautiful garden. So I think we will have a lot of fun, because nobody is going home. Are you ready to go?
I want
Ah.
my mommy.
Oh, fantastic, beautiful. So now you start working, because there is a lot to do. What's this?
They were working too slow and then we
I
had to chain them up
understand,
because they
James.
wanted to start singing. Know that, madam? We set this up for you.
It's an apple.
Whatever.
This was
Yeah,
mine
yeah,
too.
just don't go in there. Come on, walk, goddammit!
Don't touch me.
Faster, faster, walk!
So I'm going in a shadow for a drink now, so you work here because you're very slow. I leave this here, you make it full.
Just put it on the floor.
Oh, that's good. What is this?
Now move away!
Oh, yes.
Move away!
Oh, it's so
Get
big.
out of here!
I'll make it clean.
5 minutes break, then we'll take some pictures and then back to work. Come on, let's go!
Can you please start the child, madam?
Do I have to?
Yes.